So I've been putting this off, but the wheels for the thing are pretty rusty and crusty on the outside, which I don't really mind because I kind of like the unrestored look. But on the inside, you know, there's rust here on the bead too. And well, I'm gonna clean these up and get them ready. So I'm gonna just start with a regular metal handheld wire brush because I don't like the noise of the drill, and just kind of work on this backside, you know, see how that goes. We'll do that for a little bit and we'll check back in and see how that turned out. Well, that was exciting. It's all wire brushed, got all the scale off it, cleaned up with a vacuum. I'll zoom in. Yeah, well, there's still some scale there I can see. Not bad. I'll hit it with a little bit of sandpaper now just to smooth it off. Again, not a restoration project, but since we're here doing it, let's do it right, or mostly right. So I'm cleaning up the mounting bead area of the rim so I get a good seal. Now this originally had tubes in it, I can tell because there's an imprint or a remnant of the tube marking that's still visible on the inside of the wheel. So you can see, like, at the brand of the tube, it says Mexico and something Schrader or something upside down. So this, but the valve stem here is for a tubeless tire, and if you look at the wheel, the wheel doesn't have the little humps that you would normally see on a tubeless wheel to hold the tire on. So I think when I mount my tires, I got to put tubes in. Okay, so the wheel is pretty well cleaned up. I got all the loose stuff off of it. Wire brush, sandpaper, vacuum cleaner, wiped it all down with paint thinner, and now I'm gonna hit it with some of this stuff. Rust-Oleum, stops rust. I think you can paint right over rust. Well, I hope so, because that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, you know, I could have sandblasted these if I had a sandblaster, or I could have taken them to a body shop, but you know, this is not a restoration project. It's more of a restoration project. So I want to do it simple. It'll look okay, and it should last for a good long while. We'll see what turns out. Ta-da! Well, doesn't that look nice? Primer, you know, a little primer goes a long way. I'm pretty impressed with that Rust-Oleum. It sprays really nice. It goes on in a nice even coat and dries fast. So as far as application goes, definitely give that a thumbs up. We'll see how it looks, you know, a year from now. So wheels are painted. They look good. Silver on the side, black on the back. Good old rattle can paint job. So the next step is to get those beauties mounted up, and we'll go to the local foreign car shop for that. They've got the special balancer for these wide 5 wheels. So when you next see them, they will be mounted, and I will be excited. Oh, hell yes. I mean, that is the best looking thing ever. Look at those tires. Look at those tires. We're gonna get those on the car tonight. I can't wait. I don't really need them on now, but I can't wait. It's gonna be so cool. And there we go, on the vehicle. Vehicle's still up in the air, so we don't see the real tire clearance to the fender, but man, those look good. Nice, chunky. Get a better shot. Oh yeah, I like that a whole lot. That looks real good.